Once upon a time, in a city, there lived a wealthy merchant. The merchant lived in a big house. He had 4 daughters, Dhanusha, Kumbha, Mohini and Rohini. He had a lot of wealth, which he had earned through years of hard work. The merchant lived happily. His business was going well too. One day, while working, the merchant noticed a grey hair on his head. The merchant thought,
I'm getting old. And one day I will have to leave this world. What will happen to all my wealth when I am not there? Can my daughters take care of all my hard-earned money?
So the merchant decided to test his 4 daughters. That night, he called his daughters and said,
My dear daughters, I have a small task for you all. Here's 5 grains of rice for each of you. Take care of them. I am going on a voyage tomorrow. When I come back, I will take them back from you.
Saying this, the merchant left the next day. After the merchant left, the eldest daughter, Dhanusha, looked at the 5 grains the merchant had given her, and she thought,
What's there in just 5 grains of rice when we have stores full of them? There is no point in caring for them.
Thinking this, she threw the grains off. Kumbha, the second daughter, looked at her grains and thought,
We have bins full of rice to eat for years. Why should I care for only 5 grains?
So Kumbha put the grains in the food and cooked them off. Mohini, the third daughter, looked at her grains and thought, There must be something important about these grains. Otherwise, father wouldn't have asked us to take care of them. I must keep them safe till he comes back. Thinking this, Mohini kept the 5 grains in her jewelry box and locked it up carefully. The youngest daughter, Rohini, knew what she had to do with the 5 grains. She got herself an earthen pot and planted the 5 grains of rice. Soon the merchant returned and called his daughters and asked them,
I had given a task to each of you. Have you taken care of the grains? Show them to me.
So the eldest daughter Dhanusha went to the store, picked up 5 grains of rice from there and gave them to the merchant. Kumbha picked up 5 grains of rice from the rice bins and gave them to the merchant. The third daughter, Mohini, got her jewelry box and took out the 5 rice grains and gave them to their father, the merchant. The merchant then asked Rohini, his youngest daughter,
Rohini, what about you? Where are the grains I gave you?
And Rohini replied, Father, you asked us to take care of your grains you gave us. Please come with me and see if I have taken good care of them, and take your 5 grains yourself. Rohini then took the merchant to the fields and showed him what she had done with the 5 rice grains. The merchant was astonished to see vast fields of rice that had grown from the grains Rohini had scattered, he realized that all these were the result of the mere 5 grains he had given her, and he was extremely happy. He was proud of Rohini, who in spite of being the youngest was the most intelligent of all. He also knew that he did not have to worry about his hard-earned wealth anymore because Rohini was there to take care of it after him.